Where I go? Where I go? Yo, touch me and touch you road enough. No one you official. No one you mad. No one you crazy. Twitch Tower Entertainment proudly present Touch the Road every Thursday. When you see that Thursday, I go mad. Thursday, May 27th. It's the official Memorial Weekend Kickoff.
Real bad man, no muggle in a shot.
It's all gonna be at ECLIPSE 247 FABYAN Place, Newark, New Jersey. All the way from Jamaica. Music by
Renaissance I play.
Grammy King, King Shine, and New Jersey's most wanted, Twin Tower.
Yeah, Twin Towers free.
Doors open at 10. Admission only $10 before 12. This one is gonna be big. This one is gonna be crazy. You no better believe me.
13 down.
For more information, log on to twintowersound.com or call 862-209-0677. Thursday, May 27th. The place to